a flash flood warning for Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, Central Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky, McLean County in northwestern Kentucky, Southern Union County in northwestern Kentucky, Webster County in northwestern Kentucky, northwestern Caldwell County, Kentucky, Crittenden County, Kentucky, until 4 a.m. Sunday. At 6:30 p.m., Emergency Management reported 3 separate water rescues in Webster County, including between Clay and Wheatcroft on Highway 109, between Dixon and Clay on Highway 132, and outside Slaughters on Slaughters Elmwood Road. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain has fallen across the warned area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are expected. Flash flooding is already occurring and is expected to intensify. Significant flash flooding is possible. Expected hazards include life-threatening flash flooding, thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Severe weather has been confirmed by Emergency Management reported. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Owensboro, Madisonville, Providence, Marion, Sturgis, Calhoun, Seabury, Livermore, Clay, Rosiclare, Dixon, Whitesville, Beech Grove, St. Joseph, Cresswell, Masonville, Knoxville, Henson, Sacramento, and Island. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 4 a.m. Sunday for the following counties: in Kentucky, Caldwell, Crittenden, Davis, Hopkins, McLean, Union, and Webster.